This has a combo pack, so it's a R100 power station and a 40-watt solar panel included with it. That's a really good feature right there. And some of the things that you would charge this, you know what, you'd laptops, tablets, things like that, cameras, drones, fans, and running a light on this thing. And going over the side, multiple USB outputs, efficient output, over voltage protection, over current protection, over temp, USB-C output, and I think that's pretty much everything that's on it. You know what? Let's just open it up and see what we have in here. Whoa, this is such a cute little power bank. Look at this thing. So it almost looks like a little lunchbox. That kind of looks like a little Scooby-Doo lunchbox. There's the actual power bank. This must be all the cables. And here's the actual solar panel that came with mine. Let's just open up. Let me go ahead, open all this up, and then I'll come back when it's out. So let's do that now. Okay, so I've got it all unpacked there. I went ahead and put a full charge on it. Mine actually came completely dead. So I went ahead, I charged it up. It took around about 3 to 4 hours to get this little guy all the way up, but he is at 100%. You see it right there? We'll turn all that off. We don't need that on. But let's go ahead. Let me show you some of the features of this thing. Let me show you what I got with it. So you got the solar panel here. You know, the solar panel has 2 USB-A's out and a USB-C out and a DC out. So just so you know, and the solar panel I got is a 40-watt max solar panel, which is a very good quality solar panel. Very impressive on the solar panel, everybody. It came with these little hooks right here. You add those little hooks, they kind of go on there. So one of the best solar panels I've seen with one of these units, a barrel plug that looks to be a 5 mil, maybe barrel to barrel plug, a kind of a cigarette or a 12-volt outlet plug. And the reason you use this, notice there's no outlet plug on this, but I like the fact that they have that on there. Plug it in right there, and you got an outlet plug. And then if you want to charge it, you can charge it right there. Also gives you a kind of a outlet plug, a 12-volt plug on a car. That's what you'd use that for. That will charge that up. So all the types of adapters that you need right there. Look at that. That's impressive. Not many do that. These are my cords right here. And just looking over the unit itself right here, actually the specs on this thing, it goes from, it'll peak up, I don't know what the peak is, but the actual wattage of this thing is 146 watt hours of capacity on this. So the actual AC outputs on this is a 110, 60 hertz, 100 watt output. That blue one's usually a higher rated one, maybe around about 9 or 10, so that's a higher rated one. Then you got the input right there, USB-C out. I do like that they give you 2 ports on the AC. To turn it on, you basically hold this down and it will come on. So when it comes on, it already says 12 volt out and DC out. To turn the AC on and off, you basically hit the AC button. There is a little light feature. Those are actually pretty bright, but here's what's crazy. This has actually got a light here that flashes and different lights, but they also included a backlight right here. So they give you 2 LED lights on that. This is the first one that I've seen had a front and a side LED light. So you can set this little guy down and just have it shine your way. So, and it's got a nice handle, very cool looking unit right here. It feels kind of indestructible. It's a little tough feeling guy here. So let's just go ahead and let's test out some actual products and see how the charging goes on this. So I got my iPhone right here. We'll put it on. Let's test the USB-C out on this and see how that works. Well, almost instantly that works, so that's charging nicely. Now let's go the USB-A out right here. I think I've got some little batteries over here somewhere. I thought I had some little batteries. Here we go. So I got these little camera batteries right here. Let's see if it starts charging these. Instantly. They are fully charged, so I don't think I need to worry about it, but it is charging them. So my phone is charging and that's charging. Those dual work together. So with this one, let's go ahead and turn AC out is on, and we can plug it in right here. Right like that. Now we're running cell phone, battery powered. Test out this thing. This pulls around about 100 watts. Very impressive. It doesn't give me the wattage on here, but check it out. You could grab this and probably run about a majority of the smaller power tools and do a job. I feel like I could do a whole job with this. You can see it starting to go down because I'm using a lot of energy with all of this. That's impressive, everybody. It runs this little sander like it's nothing. let's try to charge it using the solar panel. This is what I want to test. So let's get our barrel plug here, and then we'll run the solar panel, which this solar panel can also use as a USB outlet too. How cool is that? Right like that. So we ran it down 1. Let's take it outside. Now, I don't have a lot of sun right now, but I really want to see how well this panel works. Let's lay it out and see if this whole kit will actually charge up with the solar panel using the input plug right there. So I don't know how well you can see it in the camera here, but I've got 99%. I just laid the solar panel down. Let's plug in. Now, if it starts charging, the percentage will start blinking right here. So let's see how well this panel works. Plug it in. Instantly, I don't know how well you can see it, but there is a blinking percentage logo right here. Let's let it sit here. Now, obviously, all we need to do is get it up to 1%. It is a very cloudy day, but I get a feeling if I let it charge for a little bit, it'll go up to 1%. So let's go ahead and let's see how long it takes it to go up at least 1%. So far, I'm very impressed with everything they include on this. Okay, let's check on it. Okay, there we are. We are back at 100%. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera. So I moved the solar panel down here because it's not very sunny today. So it's getting a very low level sun, but I think during peak sunshine with this 40 watt, I think you'll go through this pretty fast. So the solar panel works, everybody. This little kit right here, I recommend for anyone that just needs a type of kind of travel panion with electricity for running basic everyday items and charging things and doing whatever you need with a power station. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on solar panel, power station, you know, small kit. See you on the next video.